Magicsmith copper patina for iron and steel. The clear solution is the activator, the blue solution is the patina itself. We're giving a demonstration on the sample kit that are sold on eBay. Today we're going to start out with a simple P&O mild steel and a piece of high black carbon A36 mild steel. The carbon steel, you'll see, we removed off the black carbon with an angle grinder to get down to the surface. You don't have to do that if you prefer, a slight copper hue over the carbon, but to really get character into it, you want to remove the carbon down to the steel to get to the shiny metal. That's where you'll get most of your patina. We're going to start out with the P&O mild steel. We're going to take the clear applicator from Magicsmith, simply spray it on the surface. Prior to spraying on the surface, you want to start out with the green Scotch-Brite pad that comes in the kit. Just slightly scuff the surface because P&O mild steel typically comes with an oil residue or dirt on the surface from the mill. Clean it off lightly. Take the clear activator, simply spray it on the surface of the metal. Don't need much. Take the copper patina itself, follow behind while it's wet. Simply spray that on the surface too, and you'll see that you start to activate here and you get a nice copper hue to the metal. Simply, if that's the choice color that you're looking for is the metallic copper, simply neutralize it with water, rinse it off, and that's where it'll stay. You want to blow dry that off with the air compressor, or a simple household hair dryer works well. Today we're just going to use a little rag here just to slightly dry the surface of the metal for the second application of the copper patina. The second direct application of copper patina is where you'll get the marbleization. You can drip it on and you'll see it instantly changes, or you can spray it and then it'll instantly marbleize right before you. Wherever you decide is the finish that you want. If you let it sit longer, you'll start to get greens and reds and purples into the mix, into the steel itself. You rinse that off, it'll stop it right where you want it. That neutralizes it and stops any further patination. You see right here that you're going to have light blues and greens in there. So you simply dry that off with an air hose, and that will be the finish that you've achieved. Now the next one, we're going to go back to the high carbon steel. Start out with cleaning the surface. Again, hit it with sandpaper will work, or simply the Scotch-Brite pad that comes in the kit just to clean out any possible residue. Take the clear activator, clean it, spray the surface. This stuff does work as a cleaner as well. Take the patina itself and spray that on the surface, and you're going to see it instantly changes into a metallic copper patina. If that's the finish that you want to achieve, rinse it off with water. It neutralizes it and stops any further coloring. Dry it off. Magicsmith's preferred method, again, is an air hose. If that's the color you're looking for, leave it. If you want to marbleize this, simply spray another coat on. Instantly changes. This is in high carbon steel. You'll see you're going to instantly get greens and purples and reds in here, and hues, different hues. You can mess around with it and darken certain areas, lighten certain areas. Like there, you can watch it just change. You can just play with it. Once you've achieved the figure you're looking for, rinse it off again with water, dry it off. You can go as far as with Magicsmith to mess around with simple bolts from the hardware store. If you got cabinetry handles on your house you want to put a copper patina finish on, your guns, knives, anything. We're going to show you an example here of a simple carriage bolt. Wipe any residue off, take the Scotch-Brite pad on it, scuff it up. Most of the hardware that comes from the store will have a galvanized finish on it, so you may want to scuff it or even lightly hit it with sandpaper to remove any of the galvanization that's on it. And that's ready. Simply spray the activator and then move to the patina finish. It instantly changes into a copperhead bolt. Make it look like it's 1,000 years old. If you want that shiny appearance to it, you can dry that off, or you can simply rinse it with water, pat it dry, and then apply a second coat. It instantly darkens it, gives it a nice old world appeal. Rinse it off with water when you achieve the color you're looking for, dry it off, and it's good to go. Go as far as to texture, multiple nails at one time. Again, the Scotch-Brite pad, you'd want to go through. Most nails, old nails are already mild steel, so they don't require any galvanizing or coating. Of course, some nails do have it, but you find the old penny nails that don't. You could have a simple nail here and put the activator on, spray it on there, the cleaner, activator, and turn around and spray right over it with the copper patina. Instantly turns these nails into copper colored, heads and all, just like that. You dilute those in water, rinse them off, and that's where you want them to be. Now, the end results with Magic Smith copper patina is only limited to your imagination. If you're a blacksmith, I highly recommend buying a kit just to apply it to some of your projects. You could take a hand forged sculpture, a simple, wire brushed mild steel, and turn around and apply the Magic Smith to it and come up with your finish in here with the copper patina. It seems to be very attractive. You seal it with a clear coat, wax, or even a powder coat clear, just to protect the finish overall. So that is our demonstration for Magic Smith copper patina. Please check us out on eBay and our auctions. I highly recommend a sample of this. Comes with directions, rubber gloves, the nitro gloves, Scotch-Brite pad, and an order form. So thanks for looking at our presentation.